Bash somebody with putting some shit videos. This is how you paddle, guys. This, and then this, and then. So let's talk about my vlog, though. I hope you're following me and just kind of, you know, because you're. Right, man, let's go, brother. Yeah. Oh, you bum. So, bring my own. All right, so we're gonna go kayak. So it's important to wear a life jacket. So this is my lone life jacket, and this is my kayak. Okay, guys. So hello. Good evening, good afternoon, good night, everyone, all my bloggers, all my supporters, my subscribers. Today's video, me and my brothers, we're going to be going on the lake. We'll be doing kayaking. Right here, this is called kayak. It's like a plastic canoe, right? Yes. And then the most important thing when you go on the lake. Okay, guys. Again, the most important thing is you gotta have a life jacket. Okay. Safety first. And so we get a paddle. I also have a camera here, the waterproof camera. I'm gonna try first time I try this, and I'm afraid to take my iPhone camera out for blogging, so I don't want to fall, but I might take it, but I'm going to be really slow. I don't want it to fall, I don't want it to tip. Yeah, so this is the first time that I've been doing this for a very long time. Alright, so we're going to clean that kayak. My brother's cleaning it. Yeah, so we're going to be, oh, the other one's already ready. Up here, guys. So, again, we're going to be scrolling down this lake. And so quiet. It's a private lake. There's not a lot of people here. And so my brother's getting my kayak ready. I don't think you have to clean it. Alright, so they're clean. Alright, let's put in the water. Is that how you do it though? Like, can we
yeah, you just have to, this has been outside.
Oh,
you have too many dirt.
I think we can push it down here.
Huh?
Okay.
Just go in there.
Okay.
Pull the rope on it.
Okay. Yeah.
Pull the rope out.
Okay, tie it on that thing first. Just drop that thing in.
It's in there, right.
Yeah. Alright, let's drop that. Tie it in the water. Oh, that's heavy, eh? There we go. So just tie it in. We can just untie it when we're about ready to leave. Alright, so got this paddle. Okay, tie it here.
You want to get in first?
Yeah, I'll just tie it here, and then when I'm ready, I can untie it and I can go.
I need to.
Yeah, just tie it there. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, so. Yes. I'll put an elastic band on my phone so I don't want to drop it. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to be up there and enjoy. It looks so nice and calm and a little bit windy.
Take that one. That's your favorite color?
Yes, my collar is orange. Take the sticker off. Alright guys, so let's check it.
Okay.
Ready?
1, 2.
Bumper boat.
I got water on my thing.
Oh no.
Masak ka sa inyo? Okay, dire.
Danger, everything for me.
Huh?
One person, right?
One person. I got water on me.
Yo! Guy's lost. I don't think he knows where he is going. He's saying, row, row your boat. Now, this is a great phone, huh? Look how far it is. The focus is on in on 6 times. Yeah. Faster. Faster. Go. Yay. Nice, eh? Yeah. Yeah, I can take you fishing right there with that. Yeah, sit properly. Guys, so I'm on this kayak right now. Okay, let's see how far. Okay, so guys, hello guys. We're just going out here and enjoy kayaking here. It's so quiet. It's a perfect place to vlog, really. So I got this kayak right here. So it's a one-person kayak, and you get this paddle, and you can paddle left and right. It's going like that. So I just hope that I won't drop this camera, but I'm gonna go really slow. Let's see how far I'm gonna go. I'm gonna try to go there, bro. All right, so my brother behind me. Okay, just to keep the safety and make sure I'm safe, and you know, he's one of the rescue personnel in this place. So it's a bee watch, so he'll be protecting me, watching me, and doing this vlog, because there's a lot of people watching this vlog around the world. So if I do fall, well, you know, it'll be something else. And I don't care about me falling. I just don't care about my vlog, my camera falling. So I'm gonna turn this camera, guys, and see see how far we're gonna go. Way up there. All right. So, well, actually, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna paddle with one hand, like that. With one hand. There we go. Yeah, so this place, guys, this is it's our lake, and it's a very private. So that's why there's not a lot of people here. You see a lot of trailer homes there, cottages there. Because it's still on lockdown and everything, a lot of people are not coming up here to enjoy. So we're staying here for 3 days. We're staying at that place behind me. Where is it? Somewhere. Oh, there's my brother. There you go. Yeah, trying to keep my safety. Keep close to me, brother. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go down. I hope there's no whirlpool here, man. Break, break, break. Oh, it's going to crash into me. It's going to crash. I'm paddling with one hand. So you go left, then you go right, then you go left, then you go right. yeah, so you just put your feet here, and yeah, just kind of actually you can just sit here, guys, and just let the wind take you, you know. So yeah, so it's real nice. You know, whenever we get a chance to get out of the city, and there's a lot of restriction and lockdowns and all that, you know, get a place, rent a cottage or rent a trailer homes. I think camping is open. Yeah, just go get out here and you can enjoy it. It's a beautiful day, you know. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna go this forward and go left. So this paddle, look, they have both end has paddle on it. You see. So you kind of roll your boat kind of thing. You know? All right, so let's go. Let's see if I won't drop the phone. Okay. Okay, hold a sec. Let me see. Okay. All right, so let's try this. Okay. All right. Okay, this is nice to relax here. You know, you can actually go fishing here on this. I don't know how deep this lake. It's a small lake. I mean, if you can see it to one end, one in here, you can actually see it. It's called Owl Lake. See all these cottages here in front of me, trailers. Oh, and there's a cottage that we're staying. Bro, yeah, brother. There's my brother on the other side. I don't know what he's doing. It's like a whale. looking for shark. There's a whale, there's a whale. There's a whale. Oh, it's hard to do this one hand. You know, I got his paddle. Huh? No, I know. Because you know why? Because it's a small lake. Yeah. It's good, man. Can you stand up on it?
No, I don't want to take a chance, man.
Yeah? You know how to swim?
I know how to swim.
I don't think that life jacket is big enough for you.
20 years ago, last time I swam.
Yeah, but look at the life jacket. It looks too tight for you.
That's good. It's for my tummy.
It's only a show.
Make my tummy flat.
It's only a show. You're probably gonna sink.
I don't think this thing floats.
So let's talk about my vlog, though. I hope you're following me and just kind of, you know, because you're a star.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I want to be in there. I want to be a superstar.
Yeah, you already are, man.
I'm a surfer.
Yeah. So he's very quiet followers. He only bashed somebody with putting some shit videos. Oh yeah, that's it, bro. Yeah, man. Good job, man. Wow, I've never seen anybody doing this. I didn't push up on the little, I don't know, what do you call that?
Surfing
board?
No, it's a paddle board push-up.
Just don't tip, man. It's crazy. Yeah, I'm sitting on mine here. Like, yeah, you know what? We're just sitting there in the middle of the lake. Just my brother. Huh? Yeah, I don't tip, man, because I don't know if you can get back on it.
It's not the rope.
No, but you can get back, stand up back, you know, while the thing's tip. Right? See, they do it like that. Go on your knee.
Yeah.
And paddle.
Oh, shoot.
You see.
I need the other one. I need that one.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, it's hard because it's only one side.
Oh, let's see. Okay, try that. Let's switch. Oh, I need this paddle to get back, or else.
So, yeah.
All right, so I get the single paddle.
Reverse.
Yeah.
Reverse.
Right, so let's reverse. Okay, Hiro,
No
take
way,
my
man.
camera
Huh?
and you record me while I'm doing this.
Wait. Let me sit properly here.
Yeah. Put your two legs out.
Let me hold.
Yeah. Can you sit on it? Like, can you spread your legs? Yeah, like that. That's it. Yeah, here. You see, I'm just going to...
No, it's warm, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
Reverse.
Come on.
Okay, just stay still and just paddle. Give me the paddle. Just balance yourself. So I'm going to switch, guys, so make sure I'll be recording me in full. There you go. Just don't it.
The other way?
Yeah.
Is that now? Okay.
Alright, so guys, again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So we're just here again for a few days. This lake actually is so it's what is it? Salt water. It's
Lake,
lake.
spring water.
Spring water.
First water.
Freshwater lake. So I mean, you can drink it, whatever, but I don't think you want to do it.
As long as you have
But I think this is very clean, though. I mean.
As long as you have the vaccine.
Yeah, until you have vaccine,
You could drink it.
okay to. I think you'll
Drink
float.
it. No, you drink it. You could drink it if you have vaccine.
I think you'll float.
Yeah, we killed COVID
Yeah.
if you drink this.
Yeah, I think you'll float. We'll have the vaccine, you'll float. Let me go further and just kind of record me. Just this time, so I'll be right back.
Okay.
Right back. So this is how you pedal, man. Alright, so like this, go backward, reverse, backwards. I'm gonna go. I come over. I'm gonna go out.
Push you out?
Yeah, push me out. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay, so this is how you paddle, guys. This, and then this, and you left. That's it, like that. See, this is so easy. You paddle like that. Left, right, left, right, left, right. I'll be back. I'll be over.
Bugsay, 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 bugsay. Okay, the winner.
Yeah, so that's how you use kayak, right?
Not kayak, it's kayak.
Kayak.
Not kayak.
Yeah.
Kayak.
And then you go forward.
You pronounce it kayak.
Yeah.
Remember kayak, not kayak.
Yeah. So this is how you use it. This is paddle like this, right? It's easy.
Yeah.
You know. Hope you guys learned the video on how to.
Yeah, as long as it's made in China, it works.
Yeah. Work. Hope you learned from what
China
you
made.
did.
Yeah.
I don't know what I was doing, but it worked anyways. I mean, like moving, I'm turning.
Yeah.
You know. I think it's a little windy, man. I think we should get back.
No, that's okay.
Huh?
Yeah, we went to a suicide. Suicide, man. Don't worry, I'm certified lifeguard. Lifeguard.
Okay, this is getting harder, man.
Huh?
Oh shit, getting further, dude.
It's okay, but this is not ocean. This is lake. There's no shark. Okay. Let's go back.
Yeah, let's go back. Okay, go. Okay, maybe hold that one so we have a better balance. Whoa. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification and leave a message below if you should know how we enjoy our life here in Canada on the lake. So here we are. And so this is the spring water lake here. So yeah, so I'm gonna go back. I think we've been out here for like half an hour, right in the middle of the lake. So let's go, bro. What do you think?
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Go for a barbecue.
Yeah, let's go barbecue now, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I wish everybody can get a chance to come here and enjoy because it's so beautiful. Beautiful day. Oh, it's just amazing, guys. It's just great. I mean, look at the sky. A little cloudy here and there, but it's a little bit windy here. But it's just amazing, you know. We're just here on the lake. There's nobody here. There's only my brother here, guys. My brother here on the lake. You know. No, this floor over there. Yeah, so there you go, bro. We still keep going, man. We're gonna head back. We're gonna head back. Yeah. Yeah. Perfect, man. It's perfect for vlogging. Yeah. Guys, if you guys see my my first video that I wanted to post earlier yesterday, but the internet kind of slow, but it's okay. It was like a challenge who can, I guess, finish to eat a spicy, hot, super hot Korean noodle. Right, bro?
Yeah, I was the one.
Yeah, he wanted that guy there. He's a pig.
That's my,
Yeah.
I eat them mostly every day.
Yeah, but he cheated though, because he was actually been eating spicy noodles. And for us, that we haven't done anything. The only spicy noodles we have is when you buy some chicken, spicy chicken, and you know, KFC and Jollibee. These are not spicy, you know, just baby stuff. But this guy actually drank the whole hot spicy bottle. All right. So I'm gonna throw this around. There's somebody that can get lost there. That woman there. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, she's nice. So we'll check it out. Okay, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you again on my next vlog. And keep watching. Bye.